From Hot Wheels Track Builder, this is Auto Blast Alley. It's a gravity set with 2 stunts and 1 car. You know, I have to say, there's a special technique to getting the car out of the box. I don't know what it is yet. Anyway, here's everything out of the box. Before we begin, let's take a look at the 2 stunts that came with the set. First, here we have the Auto Garage Super Drop. You get 2 switches over here. The car passes this, that goes down. And the car passes this switch, that goes up. Here, a previously issued set called Triple Blast Alley. There's only one in this set, so I guess it's Single Blast Alley. And finally, here's the car that came with the set. Here's the set all fully assembled. The instructions say to put the clamp 30 inches off the floor. Doesn't have to be.